वेलकम एवरीवन टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल लर्निंग विद रोशन सर। हमारे चैनल के सारे वीडियोस को देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना ना भूलें। नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द वीडियो। Now here we start with exercise 23A of the chapter trigonometrical ratios of standard angles. Now let's see question number 1. You have to find the value of. Now here we are having one question, tan 30 and tan 60. यहाँ पे हमें कुछ नहीं करना है, बस tan 30 और tan 60 की वैल्यू ला के रख देनी है। एंड द tan 30 इज 1/√3 एंड tan 60 इज √3 एंड हियर वी गेट दिस। ना इसके बाद इसे कैंसिल आउट कर दीजिए एंड वी गेट 1 एज आवर आंसर। नाउ लेट्स सी सम मोर पार्ट्स ऑफ दिस वन। हियर वी आर हैविंग cos स्क्वायर 60 प्लस sin स्क्वायर 60। दिस मीन्स ये cos 60 का होल स्क्वायर है और sin 30 का whole square. So we are going to place the value of cos 60 and make a whole square, and here sin 30 and make a whole square. Now cos 60 1/2 होता है, तो 1/2 का whole square हो गया, और sin 60 sin 30 1/2 अगेन होता है, तो इसका भी whole square हमने कर दिया। Now we are going to solve it and we finally get this 1/4 plus 1/4, that is 2/4, and which is equals to 1/2. Now let's see the sixth part. Now here in this question we are having cos square 60 plus sec square 30 plus tan square 45. Again हम इसको जैसे पहले वाला क्वेश्चन किया वैसे इसे भी करेंगे। We are going to place the value, put the square and solve them. After placing the values we have got this, and now and here we get the final answer as 2 whole 7/12. Now let's see question number 2, second part. And here in this question we are having trigonometric ratios in the numerator as well as in the denominator. Again we have to follow the same steps and put the values over here, and here we have got the values of all of the trigonometric ratios. Now we'll solve them and we finally get the answer as 0. Now let's see question number 3, first part. Here we have to prove LHS equals to RHS. So we are going to begin with the LHS, and here we have placed the values of sin 60, cos 30, cos 60 and sin 30, and on solving them we will be getting 3/4 and 1/4. As the base are same, so this can be directly added as 4/4, and that is equals to 1, and this is equals to RHS. Hence proved. Let's go with one more part of this. Here cosec square 45 minus cot square 45 equals to 1. Again we are going to start with the LHS, and here we get √2 square in place of cosec 45 to the whole square, and 1 square in place of cot 45 to the whole square. And now this will become 2 minus 1, which is equals to 1, and that is equals to RHS, and hence proved. Now let's see one more part, that is sixth part of this one. And here we are having this question, and we are going to again start with the LHS only. And here we have got this. Now we'll solve, and we get equals to 0, and that is equals to RHS, and hence proved. And here we are having question number 4. इस क्वेश्चन में हमें LHS और RHS दोनों को अलग अलग सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा, and let's do it. Here we have got the value of sin LHS sin 60 equals to √3/2, and now the RHS will be, and here the RHS 2 into 1/√3, 1 plus 1/√3 to the whole square. Now on placing and solving it, we have got 2/√3 and whole upon 4/3. Then here we have multiplied by the reciprocal of this one, that is 3/4. 2 cancelling with the 4, we have got 2, and as we all know that in a 3 can be written as √3 into √3. So one of the √3 is being cancelled over here, and we are left with the other √3. So we got √3/2. Now we can see LHS equals to RHS. Hence LHS equals to RHS, and hence proved. Now here in question number 6, we are having this expression is to be proved as 2. Now we are again going to start with the LHS, and here after placing the value of all the trigonometric ratios, we have got this. Now we'll be solving them, and here we get this. Now, and here we have placed the values and solve it, and we finally get the 2 as the answer, and that is equals to RHS, hence proved. Now let's see question number 11. Here we have to evaluate cos 3a minus 2 cos 4a upon sin 3a plus 2 sin 4a, where a is 15. Very first of all, we are going to place the value of a. Here we get this. Now we have multiplied it, and now we are going to place the values of trigonometrical ratios. After getting this, we are going to take the LCM in the numerator and the denominator, and after getting this, we can cancel out the base or the denominator from both the numerator and denominator, and here we get this. Now after getting this one, we are going to write this as, यहाँ पर हमने √6 को पहले रख लिया है और इसे बाद में रखा है, क्योंकि इसको जो सॉल्व करेंगे तो ये बड़ा नंबर होगा, ये छोटा नंबर होगा। अभी हमें रेशनलाइज करना है, और रेशनलाइजेशन के केस में अगर ये बड़ा नहीं होगा तो ये आगे हमें निगेटिव में आंसर मिलेगा। बाय द वे, उससे भी पहले हम लोग 2 का कॉमन ले सकते हैं फ्रॉम द न्यूमरेटर एज वेल एज फ्रॉम द डिनोमिनेटर, एंड हियर वी गेट दिस। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू कैंसिल आउट 2। अब हम लोग डिनोमिनेटर का रेशनलाइजेशन कर देंगे, क्योंकि ये इर्रेशनल फॉर्म में दिया हुआ है, एंड हियर वी गेट दिस। नाउ इन द डिनोमिनेटर वी आर हैविंग a plus b and a minus b form, so we can get a square minus b square form, and here we get this. Now here 12 can be break down as 2 into √3, because this can be written as 12 can be written as 3 into 4, and the square root of 4 we get 2. Now let's see the second part of this one, and here we get the second part. Here also we have to evaluate 3 sin b, 3 sin 3b plus 2 cos 2b plus 5 upon 2 cos 3b minus sin 2b minus 10, where b is 20. So very first of all, we are going to place the value of b, and now we are going to solve it to get the standard angles, and here we are going to place the values of it, and after placing the value we have got this. Now we are going to solve it. Now on taking LCM in the both numerator and denominator, we move to this situation in which this can be cancelled with this one, and we get 3 √6 plus 4 by, here 2 minus 1 will be 1 only, so we are going to be left with only √2. Now we are going to rationalize this. After rationalizing them, we have got this, where the 12 can be break as 2 into 4 into 3, and 2 will be moved out of the root. So 2 into 3 we have got 6 upon 2. Now we can take 2 common from these two, and on cancelling we finally get 3 √3 plus 2 √2 as answer. That's all from this video. हमारे वीडियो में लास्ट तक बने रहने के लिए थैंक यू. डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड कमेंट ऑन इट.